smiley faces.
That's good.
Sure.
There they are. Get that one upside down. There he is.
Oh, happy face.
Ooh, what was that?
That was a miscue. I don't know.
Whoopsie daisy.
As the barge starts to sink and all the rockets start shooting into the crowd under the arch.
Well, Doc, I thought it was going to be a lot better. I guess I won't come back next year.
Alright, you guys.
This is already way better than last year's.
Yeah, because we actually got the
Them just bringing the barge.
Oh,
Here's what I'm going to do, because my phone is not charged. So guess what?
You get the big
I'm
camera,
doing
right?
this. Ow, my arm.
Nice, isn't it? You were so funny.
Turn the lights off. I don't know. I love it.
Chris, I don't want to know what you're doing over
Ow.
there, but keep
Ow.
doing it. It's kind of exciting me.
Is it really? My arm hurts because I've got this phone connected.
I did, yeah.
Well, we ranked.
Oh, no, I didn't see that one. I was talking about the one where it shot
Help
into
us
the
out here.
crowd.
That's the ones.
Oh, I like those. Wow, wow, those little circles.
Yeah.
No, Jason,
We're going to hear that one.
Wow, double balls.
Dude. Jason's over here going, wow, that's like if you, like...
There was the
I
crap.
was downstairs and all I found was Doug, and he gave me something to put in my drink.
Yeah, Doug. Who's Doug, by the way? That dude from the truck stop? Oh, yeah, I remember him.
Yeah.
Ow.
Wasn't he the guy with the funny
Oh, by the way, Herman, I seen a midget at the truck stop today. Thought of you.
Maze.
I'm sorry.
Jason, that dude was a midget today, was he not?
I do have the best seat. Oh, they were upside down. Full power.
Try again. Fail. There we go.
Oh, I got him! I got him!
That was better.
Just proves there's no such thing as love.
Oh! It just proves it's 60. Just proves it's 69.
Agent Chinese secret.
Agent Chinese secret. It just proves it's upside down.
Just proves.
Just proves
You must be
nothing.
looking in the wrong
That you're still
direction.
single.
Ow! What the hell happened here? Oh, my stupid phone went to a video. Stop it.
We don't get advantage of it.
Back up. You're too close.
It went to video all of a sudden.
Keep burning, but I like them.
That's far out, man.
Crackle ones.
What are you doing that she's killing you in the chest?
Those are the ones. No, she's talking about the fireworks.
Oh.
That means back up. You're
Stop
real
using
close.
the fireworks like that.
They're burning me, but I really like them.
Oh, those must be the fireworks at Dad's house. My old man is all pissed off at me this year.
Your old man is because you didn't start the whole thing, right?
Because I didn't go and do the
Right,
fireworks.
whatever.
I know. I wonder what he's doing.
My old man can fuck off just like my brother can.
You know what?
I got no use for either
I got
one of them
my
at the
lantern back
moment.
on. I can't see
Trying to cop a
it.
sneak.
So he likes it. Usually I like what he likes.
I'm going to cop a sneak and blame it on Jay.
No, you won't.
You know what? I'm not going to sleep with you tonight.
So I hear there's an opening.
I'll see you later, baby.
You guys think it's just because we're drunk? No, this is how we are all the time.
I didn't think you were that drunk.
There it is, Janine. Start it up. Stand back, girls. He's all mine.
Oh, yeah.
Ouch. And she picked him up first.
You got room.
Just remember, Janine chose him.
I did choose one.
His headlight doesn't look like Pee Wee Herman's. It's the voice box. The headlights on it.
Scott, we really love you.
I hope so.
If we did love you, we'd call you Pee Wee, not Herman.
That's my pet name for him. You can't say
Oh!
Ooh.
said.
Boom.
It's like replicate.
You know, Stanley, like the power drill.
Oh, wow. That's like TMI.
It is TMI.
Pedro.
All right, Hurricane.
Purple-headed yogurt slinger.
But I feel bad for him, so I call him Scott.
Woo! Oh, I love those ones from the river. That was cool, those fountains.
Hey, Chris.
Yeah.
They all come from the river.
Oh, okay, Janine. Just like in those little fountains.
Hey, you're sleeping alone tonight, too.
My night. Woohoo!
Gotta be careful, my mommy's over there.
Mary, they're
I can't say it out loud.
Mary, they're picking on me.
I almost said it out loud.
They're picking on me.
I don't know, Kevin, but quit grabbing my ass. She's next to me.
You gotta back it up. You're too close.
Sorry, Jared. Stop.
Look at that. Kevin likes these fireworks. Knocking right off Brandon's head. Did you see that one?
Brandon's over here thinking, this would be a great fireworks display if Doc would just get his crotch out of my face.
Chris, take care of your man.
I can tell each one he likes.
That's so bad.
So, Chris,
I think I smell something. I smell something.
so Chris, you use fire to excite him?
Oh, yes, that's what I use. All
Well, obviously, last time we were over there, he decided to burn down his house. Not the
yeah.
last time, but
Yeah.
one time.
Hey, what happened? This is the fireworks we can do at home. Boom, okay.
Jason sticking a sparkler up your butt and running around the yard does not count as doing fireworks.
Hey, I jumped pretty damn high.
Put a flaming.
Next time you can kiss my sparkler.
Alright, that was it. As long as it ain't your Roman candle.
Does it matter? Did I tell you it was up my butt?
Woo! I like those.
I can't see the fireworks over there. There you go.
That's what I'm talking about.
That's it.
And I'm
Now I feel satisfied. Now I feel satisfied.
Doc, you missed your chance.
I see the cookies over here?
So, Chris, you're saying once a year, huh?
No, I'm not saying once a year. Just saying that is really satisfying. I love those big, gorgeous ones. They're awesome.
I'm not
God.
thinking she's getting
Now she's having a Snickers.
All right.
I think she liked black.
That was a terrible save.
Oh, my God.
Wow.
All right,
They really
guys.
satisfy.
Those are gorgeous, though. Those big ones. I love them.
Hey, Chris, just so you know.
Just be quiet,
Otherwise, she's
guys.
just setting herself up.
I'm taking pictures. Woo! Those are gorgeous.
Our minds are so far below the gutter, we'd have to jump
You guys are in trouble.
So,
Hey, remember, his mom and dad are sitting over there. Would you knock it off?
And, and Chris, if from knowing Doc all these years,
Yep.
I'm thinking he didn't come by totally natural.
Not at all. Not at all.
so Chris, how's Barney?
Scott, are you happy? I've read
Oh,
the longest
well.
I've heard LaDonna go ooh ah in a long time.
That's just because we don't let you listen.
Oh, I never hear that.
That's because on your nights you don't.
Oh.
Hey, wait a minute. I don't have it.
See, if I break out all the stops next time, like, you know, extra.
Yet another hey Doc, yet
Well,
another
underwear.
downfall to not living near us.
Oh, those are so pretty.
I gotta get on the metro. Between Grafton and Red. I couldn't hold it anymore.
Sorry, Brandon.
He can't hear out of his right ear.
That's not true.
And no, that's not hair gel.
Oh, very
That's
good.
cool. What is that? There's a guy up there throwing them.
Woo, that is cool. Those waterfalls.
Those are cool.
The noise.
Those single ones that
Well,
like directly
my
ones
core
that come down
student
and
thing
go
is
I'll put it in there for you.
Oh, pardon me.
Focus.
No, damn it. Focus.
You have zoom? Look how far away you are. We're closer than that.
That's true.
I don't think I've ever seen fireworks that look like that.
Yeah, that was totally different.
I bet you don't again either because they didn't throw anything else during them.
Yeah.
Like, look at the big gap in the center. Throw something.
Oh, darn.
Oh, darn, my pants caught on fire. Again?
Those are,
Brandon, reach around.
oh, those are cool too.
They're going down to the river. I mean, coming from the river.
Yeah, those were angel wings. Those were cool.
No, so awesome.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Because when you're down on the ground, you have to lift it, all that stuff.
Okay, I didn't know they were this long. Next year, we get the chairs.
I'm paranoid.
Notice Brandon stuck his butt on a cooler.
You're the one that pushed me here.
Hey, alright, I'll give you that.
Hold still, Brandon.
Okay, he's done.
Don't.
Okay.
I need an adult.
An adult, and we know. Yeah, there's nothing.
Wow.
I've heard that before.
Boom, 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 boom.
How'd that go? Turtle sound effect.
What was that old song?
That's what
Bubble
Doc
Bubble
sounds
Bud.
Oh, there you go, there you go.
Boom, 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 boom. That's what I'm waiting for. The boom, 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 boom.
We're getting close to the end now, I think.
All the pink one looks like boobs.
You said that 10 minutes ago.
Brandon, you're 21. Everything looks like boobs.
And I hate to tell you, it never goes away. We just have to lie very much. Are you kidding? I did that when I was younger. Jeez. Wow, that was a big set of boobies.
No, Jay, that was 2 stop signs. Yeah.
Member enhanced.
See? And there's nipples.
Yep, I see it.
Yeah.
Yeah, right there with you.
That was a triple
That
nip.
was a triple nipple.
I wrote on that one, but I did see the movie.
Yes.
Was that
Oh, that's cool, man. Shit, that was up there.
Puerto Rico.
Puerto Rico, yeah.
Where you need to be high.
That is cool. Wow, these are awesome.
Wow.
Woo! I got some
Big Papa!
Woo, baby!
All right, everybody cheers so they can hear us.